Welcome back to Barb's Healthy Life. I'm Barb, and today I'm starting a very exciting journey. Today I'm going to sign up for the Functional Nutrition Coaching Program from MBG. Very excited to get started. I thought it'd be nice if I took you along on my journey with me. So I'm going to get started right away. I have my credit card and I'm ready to start. Where's the sign up? I'm sure it's in here somewhere. Oh, learn more. That's where it goes. Learn more and then start your journey. Now, I spoke to someone at MBG yesterday just to kind of clarify some things about the testing and what goes along with the course. And I really like this choice of course because it's like lifetime access to the program, which is nice. Some courses that you have, they only give you access while you're taking the course, whether it be 6 months or a 12-month course. So this is lifetime access. It has 24 modules, 192 video lessons, study guides, case studies, and then you take a final assessment to earn your Functional Nutrition Coach certificate. And that's something I've been interested in for a while. So I decided now that I have some free time, now would be a really good time to do this. Also, the woman I spoke to yesterday sent me a $300 discount code. So I'm real happy with that. Let me go find the number. Here it is. So Kristen was very nice to send me a promo code. I'm just going to copy that and then put it in. Okay, so you can do a payment program as well, and she said that the discount code also works with the payment program. So we need our email address, and then we need our credit card information. Oh, almost forgot to put the promo code in. Let's do that. Paste, apply. Hopefully that will work. All right, I don't see that it was applied. So let me try again. All right, it doesn't seem to be lowering the pricing. So I may have to call them on that because I don't want to have to pay the full amount. Oh, and I got rid of my payment information now. Alrighty, so we'll try this again. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit. I tried to put my information in. I thought maybe I'll use my credit card and pay the full balance. So I put in the promo code that Kristen had given me and it didn't take off the $300. So I thought, well, maybe when I do the payment plan, it will. So I put in my information. They have a firm where you can split the payments into no interest for 6 months. So that's what I tried to do, but still the total didn't come off. So I didn't go all the way through with that, and I have emailed Kristen to let her know that the $300 did not come off, and I'm kind of at a standstill right now. So hopefully this will work out okay. All right, we're gonna try this again. I just got an email from Kristen at MBG, and she said there was some trouble with the promo code, so I should try it again. So I'm going to go back. I guess I'm gonna have to cancel this since it had the wrong price on it. And try adding the promo code again. It looks like it still has my information here, so let's copy and paste and apply. Aha, worked this time. So thank you, Kristen. All right, so now we can choose either to do payment plan or to do straight up credit card. And since it's 0 interest for 6 months, might as well do the payment plan. Doesn't make any sense not to, right? All right, so we will get started with Affirm. I just decided to forget my email address. There we go. And now let's see what the new payment is. Processing. Okay, 6 months, no interest. So that sounds much better. I mean, you can do a 12-month plan, but there is $111 in interest, or an 18-month plan, which it shouldn't even take you that long to do the course, with $164 of interest. I personally don't like to pay extra money for nothing. So, you know, I don't mind paying for what I get, but I'm not paying the extra. So let's try the 6-month plan. Payments starting due August 7th. Okay, so let's see, how do we have to pay? Payment method, bank account recommended. Although I'd rather pay with my credit card. Or it just says debit card or bank account, so it's not gonna let me use a credit card, because I thought maybe I'd get a little extra reward money while I was doing it. All right, but that's fine. Have my checkbook. We'll do that. All right, so you just have to put in your routing number and your account number. So I'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll see how it works. And so they won't take out the first payment for exactly a month. So that's actually kind of nice too. I can get started on the program right away. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and hit confirm. Confirm, yes. We're doing this thing. Okay, so my Affirm authentication was successful. Click complete my order to complete your purchase. And okay, so complete my order. Yay! Now I think we're done. I think we're in. Welcome to the MBG Practices community. Now I have to create my account and start watching my new class. So I will create my account, and then I have actually things to do. But still very excited about getting started today. Thank you for coming along with me on my journey today, and I'm sure it'll be a month-long journey, which I'll be updating frequently. Thank you so much for joining me on Barb's Healthy Life. This is Barb, signing out for now. On my way to being a functional nutrition coach.